Take a moment and look at the world around you. The forests, the oceans, the sky above us. Everywhere we look, nature is full of strange, complex, and beautiful systems that work together in ways we are still trying to understand. The deeper scientists study nature, the more they discover something surprising. Life is not simple, it is weird. And that weirdness is exactly what makes it beautiful. For centuries, we believed trees were silent and isolated. But today we know forests are connected through something scientists call the wood wide web. Beneath the soil, an enormous network of fungi connects tree roots together. Through this underground network, trees actually communicate. They send nutrients to weaker trees. They warn each other about insects. They even share carbon with younger trees that cannot yet reach enough sunlight. An entire forest behaves more like a community than a collection of individuals. Strange, unexpected, beautiful. Then there are the creatures of the ocean. Take the octopus, an animal so intelligent that scientists often struggle to understand it. Octopuses can solve puzzles. They can open jars. They can recognize individual humans. But what makes them even more extraordinary is that 2/3 of their neurons are not in their brain, but in their arms. Each arm can think and react almost independently. In a way, an octopus is not just one mind. It is many minds working together. Alien-like, unusual, and yet perfectly natural. And if we zoom out far enough, the story becomes even more unbelievable. Every atom inside your body was created inside a star. Billions of years ago, giant stars collapsed and exploded in massive supernovas. Those explosions scattered elements like carbon, oxygen, iron, and calcium across the universe. Eventually, those atoms came together to form planets, oceans, forests, and eventually, you. In the most literal sense possible, you are made of stardust. Nature does not try to be perfect. Rivers do not flow in straight lines. Mountains are not symmetrical. Forests grow wildly, unpredictably, and without permission. And yet, when we look at nature, we rarely criticize it. We don't look at a crooked tree and say it should be straighter. We don't look at a mountain and say it should be taller. We simply see it as beautiful, exactly as it is. Humans constantly try to change themselves to fit expectations. We try to look a certain way, act a certain way, speak a certain way. We compare our lives, our bodies, and our personalities to standards created by society. Standards that are always changing and often impossible to reach. We shape ourselves not based on what we are, but based on what we believe others want us to be. But here is the strange contradiction. We celebrate nature for its diversity. We admire forests because no two trees are identical. We are fascinated by animals that evolved in strange and unexpected ways. We accept nature exactly as it is. So why do we struggle so much to accept ourselves? You are not separate from nature. You are part of the same system, the same atoms, the same evolutionary process, the same universe that created oceans, forests, stars, and galaxies also created you. Your uniqueness is not a flaw. It is part of the design. Just like every strange and beautiful organism on this planet, the world is strange, life is unpredictable, nature is wonderfully weird, and maybe the most beautiful realization of all is understanding that you belong to it, not as something that needs to be perfected, but as something that already belongs. Welcome to the weird but beautiful world, and remember, you are part of it.